Agaze, greetings to everyone. It's been long. I came live on this. So I want to give a little teaching on how to help yourself. And so, if you want to attract favor, what to do for you to get favor and attract likeness, and customer, boost your business. These are the little things you need to do. I'm not going to spend long time on this, I beg. The thing you need to do is go and buy clove in the market. Clove, clove now. Clove, the one that they use in doing zobo. Clove has so many spiritual effects. Buy clove in the market. Buy 7 power. 777 perfume. Then buy 6 flower powder. You can buy the small one. Grind it or pound the clove. After pounding the clove, add this thing to it. Add the powder to it. Mix it together. Then open that 77 perfume. Pour it inside of the perfume. After pouring it, keep it for some days. For 7 days or 4 days, it will be fine with it. Be adding it to your bathing water. And you can also apply it on your body as a perfume. You will attract favor wherever you go. And when you go to your business premises, you have some custom. You see changes. Greetings. I greet you all. This one. Number 2. There is this tree they call Agaba-idu. If you can't get it, just go to where they sell spiritual stuff. Ask them. They are a symbol of the people that sell herbs and all those spiritual materials. Ask them of Agaba stem. The stem of Agaba. When you buy it, put 7 alligator pepper, grind it too. Buy Lux soap or Joy soap. These 2 soap will be okay for it. Joy soap or Lux soap, that's what you buy. After grinding Agaba and 7 seeds of alligator pepper, please make sure you open the alligator pepper from your bag. After grinding it, you mix it, you pound it with the soap. You're the only one to be using it. Be using it to bath. Don't share it to anybody. You're the only one to be using it. This one I said now is if you have lost, you feel that your star has been tampered with. Maybe somebody has tampered with your star, or that somebody is against your progress or something of that nature. Just you bath with this thing I told you now. Those negative energy. If somebody is holding your star, you will retrieve it automatically from the person. You will recover it. You're bathing with it. But when you want to use it at night, don't clean your body. If you bath with it before going to bed, don't clean your body. Please, after bathing with it at night, avoid sex, I beg, for it to work for you. You open and will you won't kenjia. I can tell everybody. One love to you all. I have a lot to teach, but I think I should stop here though. But let me add a little to it. Agaba. If you feel that you are being attacked or somebody is tampering with your business, or you're having spiritual, you used to eat in the dream, this is what you need to do. Buy bitter cola. Buy that Agaba stem. Grind the Agaba stem, put it in water. Buy bottled water. Bottled water, then you pour some away or you drink it. Let it be half of the bottled water. You put bitter cola inside it. Pour the Agaba that you've grounded inside it. Then drink. You keep it for 4 days, 4 good days. Don't forget, 4 good days. If you be drinking it, once you drink it, if you've been poisoned in the dream, you vomit it. Please, I think I should stop here. I'm going to make a live video on this is my timeline. So I said, "Come, I still have a lot to teach you about this clove. Again, time. Time is very good. If you go near NJJ, she has many benefits. Time. When you buy time, the one they use in cooking meat or so, it's in here, mix it with honey, keep it for 21 days. You adding it to your bathing water. Before you pour it on your bathing water, you dip your finger into it. You carry a needle. You make declaration. After making declaration, how you want your day to be, you pour a little in your bathing water. Original honey, you use original honey. You pour here, you use it and bath. It will bring favor to you, and it's also do good in your good going relationship. One love.